biggest seller when I had my first Etsy page. And this one, I'm going to make sure I do the more of a like roughly looking edge. I'm reaching for clips and they gone. I think I'm about to run out. Hold on, let me slow down on how many I'm using. Okay, so that's the entire one. Let me measure it and see how wide. Because sometimes after sewing, you lose a few inches. Look at my measuring tape. I got my measuring tape. So what am I about to measure? Nothing. Either way, I just knew I was about to measure. It's all good. Let me see this measuring up here. That's the beauty of having it up here too. When you don't have your thread. Oh, so that's perfect. I can do the method that I like to do. So hopefully I got enough thread right now. I'm going to do a zigzag stitch, and my zigzag is going to be number 6. Now, I don't know. Oh, I didn't know that one. Okay. So I'm going to make that a bit wider. Let me try this stitch. I like to play with different stitches and stuff like that. Anyway, so I'm going to do a zigzag stitch because I'm going to add elastic to the middle of this one. But where my opening is, I like to start like right here on the side. And I'm going to do it about 1/4 of an inch away from the edge. gonna stop right there. I'm gonna do a back stitch. Now this is a very interesting stitch. I've never done it before. It's quite wide. Anyway, so to close it, well, not to close it, I'm going to do another stitch, and that stitch is going to be about 1 inch away from this one. That way I can create a casing for my elastic. But when I sew that one, I don't have to leave an opening. I can just go all the way around with that one, because I just needed that space to be able to put the elastic in. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my second one. And I do like to start it across from one that I already had. So I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna leave this a little about. The elastic that I have is a 1/2 inch. So I'm gonna do my best to make it a 1/2 inch so it can fit snugly. Once I join those two zigzag ones together. I always talk about the little tool you can use. I always talk about the little tool, but every time I don't even have it nowhere close by. I gotta get my elastic right quick. Now the size of my elastic I'm gonna do is 20 inches. This is the one that I like to use. It's very stretchy. That way, yep, that's what I'm making. And so